Hi guys, I'm coming to you for the first time in a long time with a very quick review. I kind of haven't really been feeling the hair theme lately, so while I'm thinking of ways to revamp my channel, I've kind of just been taking a break, enjoying my family, and just, I don't know, brainstorming, but I did want to come on and show you guys the unit I do have on today. This video is 100% not sponsored, as in I purchased this unit with my own money. I just wanted to see how far some of my old school go-tos have come since I've been on YouTube. Now, you guys know I started YouTube a few years ago, and I was starting it out finessing synthetic wigs. Like, that was my thing, because again, it was all I could afford at the time, and I was okay with it. Like, I changed my hair so much anyway, it kind of didn't matter. So I used to do reviews on a lot of synthetic wigs. So this is actually a synthetic unit that I have on my head right now. This is from, okay, so this unit is Sensationnel's Cloud 9 unit, which is a cult favorite here on YouTube. I know tons of people have tried out the different versions of the Cloud 9 line, and this is their newer line, which is the What Lace series. Hopefully you guys can see that. And the particular unit I have on right now is Janelle. Now, I don't know why or who they choose to be these stock card people, but they are never doing the unit justice. So it's always a little worrisome when you do order from offline, because the stock people do not be killing it. Like, so you kind of got to look up reviews and everything. So I'm hoping I can be one of those reviews that you guys are looking for, and I can give you a kind of glimpse into what you can expect when you purchase this unit. So I did get this unit off of Wig Types. Again, not sponsored, but I will have that link down below if you guys want to go ahead and check out the unit. It is in the color 1B. I typically choose 1B when I'm choosing my natural colors. I don't like the really jet black. I feel like it's super shiny and weird looking, and the 1B is a nice luster. It's dark enough for me. I don't think it needs to go any darker than a 1B, but it's completely up to you. It comes in a ton of different colors. From my quick count, it comes in about 11 different colors, including 613. So if you guys want to purchase this unit in 613 and do like a little bit of rip dye to it to get a colorful unit, it's up to you. But what's the selling point of this hair, and don't mind my dirty card, but it's the lace. So they basically come out with what their version of a transparent lace. I will say that the lace is a lot thinner than the usual synthetic wigs that you would get from the beauty supply store. You guys know that really hard, really tough lace. I will not say it's completely transparent, but I will say she's giving the girls a run for her money. So let's just take a quick look at this. You can see the lace if you're really up close, but it is very transparent to the fact that you can actually see my wig cap. If you guys are, if you look closely enough, you can actually see where my wig cap starts. I didn't do the ball cap method when I was putting this on because, again, this is a synthetic wig. I'm not gonna plan on keeping this on tonight. It's only on with my Got To Be hairspray, so it's coming off tonight. It's a synthetic wig, but I don't intend on anyone being that close up to my head. Again, I am 5'9", I wear heels all the time, so I do not expect people to be like looking at the top of my head. But you can kind of see, you definitely see where the lace is. I put baby hairs on this unit. It is absolutely necessary, or else it's gonna look super wiggy. I haven't plucked anything. This is the natural hairline, but you can kind of see where they stopped caring, which is right about here. Right about here is where they stopped caring about the naturalness of the hairline. It's not a full frontal. You get that tiny little bit of frontal going on right there, but you do get a lot of parting space. So this part, I have put like a little bit of foundation in, but for the most part, it was doing its damn thing all on its own. So this is the parting space. See if I can get, this is the parting space. It's really good. I wish I could have showed you guys this unit right out of the box, but again, I wasn't planning on making a video. I just was super impressed by this hair. I've been wearing it all day. I took a nap, which is why I'm so greasy and a little bit tired. Do not clock this eyebrow. I was laying on the side of my face. Do not clock that eyebrow. But she was dealing with me so well that I was like, okay, I'll make a unit. I'll let the girls know about it. So here we are. Okay, so the wig ran me about $50 with shipping. So I do believe it was around like 42 or 43 bucks on the website. It's steep for some people, but not steep for others. When it comes to synthetic wigs, I think that's around the price point you're gonna get for a quality synthetic wig. I will say the cons of this unit is she does tangle. I haven't gotten shedding, and of course now she's gonna seem like she's not tangling, but she tangles. Like, if you guys saw me kind of like part it and how it kind of it sticks to itself. It's cut in like a razory type of layer look for the straight hair, and that kind of contributes to the tangling. When I woke up from my nappy nap on the couch, this side, she was like, but I mean, a quick brushing and she went back to where she needed to be. But it does kind of snag on like clothing. I know like it was snagged on my wool coat earlier today, and it kind of just starts balling itself up a bit, and it takes you to just take a big brush and brush her out. But a lot of people don't like that, especially people who come from wearing very expensive or regular hair. When you come from wearing human hair, going back to synthetic hair might make you a little bit wary about the tangling, but that is something to be expected regardless of whatever synthetic hair you're wearing. Sometimes when they incorporate the human fibers, it does get a little bit better, but tangling should be something that you should be wary of. And on a scale to 1 to 10, I'm going to say a tangling is about a 5 on this unit. So that's about my problem, is the tangling. Other than that, I think the lace on this is better than some of the lace I get from some hair companies. Like, to be completely 100% honest, this actually really surprised me. Just the look of this, I'm still kind of like mind blown. Usually with a wig like this, I wouldn't even wear a wig cap underneath, but I'm in the process of going platinum blonde again, so I can't really rock the baldy underneath this. And I'm not gonna do all that ball cap stuff for something that I'm not gonna keep on all night. Whatever. It does come with combs and straps and things like that. I do not advocate for those. I think they rip your hair out. So they're there if you need them, but I don't think you really need them if you have yourself a merry little, if you have yourself some hairspray, you should be absolutely fine. This has been on all day, and she's stuck like glue, so I don't really worry about that. She does get stuck to lip gloss, but I mean, what hair isn't? And she does have a few flyaways that keep happening around framing the face. I'll feel like a little piece of hair, like, oh, it's in my eyelash, or ooh, it's on my lip. So do keep those things in mind. She is still a synthetic unit, although she looks good. Now, if you need something to take some good Instagram pics in, or you just need it for the weekend, you're not gonna be doing too much partying in it, too much sweating, too much moving, too much shaking of the head, this is a great unit. I just went to a car show today, went for breakfast, went for lunch, and took a nap. I'm about to head to the gym. We'll see how she holds up then. I'll put a note down below if I remember. But as far as the synthetic unit goes, this unit is bomb. I'm so bad at doing videos, like reviews again. So forgive me if I'm not answering all the questions in this video, but if you do have any questions, please go ahead and leave them down below, and I'll be sure to try to get back to everybody who has questions. It is not usually a lot of you, so yeah. But yeah, it just comes in like this natural little box like it usually does. It comes packaged up in plastic and fishnet and all of that good stuff. And it took me about 15 minutes to install and style her. I didn't put any heat to it. I just put a little bit of, what is the name of that edge control that everybody uses? It comes in all the different colors. It's like Edge Mood or Booster or something like that. I wish I had it, but it's upstairs. But it's the different color edge control. I just put a little bit of that, made some baby hair, and we were good to go. I didn't have to pluck anything. So I'm actually really excited about how natural this hairline looks without any actual work done to it. And it just ought to, because the wig was like 42 bucks. So yeah, if you want to check this wig out, go ahead down below. I'm sorry I've been gone, you guys. I'm going to try to get back into doing like a few more reviews, just lighthearted. It gets really tough when you're doing YouTube and you have people that want you to do reviews for hair and things like that, and they kind of like are really demanding, and I have my regular job and I have my family and everything, and we're planning so much here in this household, so I had to get back to some me time. But now that I'm feeling a little bit better, I'm gonna try to do a couple of more reviews for you guys and get on a regular schedule again. I love you so much. Mwah. I'm gonna catch you in my next one, and I don't know, I missed a whole bunch of holidays, but happy Valentine's Day. This is a really good Valentine's Day unit. There you go. That's something. A one night thing that you want to look good. Boom, Valentine's Day. Just don't wear it on Valentine's night. Okay, love you guys. Bye.